Well, hello everybody. I wanted to make a little quick update on the Boston Whaler in my garage here. Might be able to tell one big thing right off the bat here without even looking too hard. There's a Honda. And probably is honestly way too big for this boat. And that's going to be probably a comment on this video. If anybody that likes, restoring Boston Whalers probably looks at this. I looked online and some people were saying that like a 13-foot classic could have a 40 horse, but I'll tell you what, this 30 looks huge on this boat. Probably could have easily gotten away with a 20 or 25. But yeah, got a Honda. Very, very cool boat. We can get it in California apparently, so that's fun. Also, the heater is blasting because even though it looks beautiful today, it is like 40 degrees. So I was just working on the truck a little bit, shining up my tires in preparation of this storm coming on us. Got some snow coming. Might actually have to use the snowblower for once. But anyways, kind of what I was really wanting to talk about in this video is I used this stuff here to patch a hole in my boat. And I think it worked pretty well. Let's take a look at this. I did this yesterday, probably around this time, honestly. Well, maybe, I don't know, it's probably been like 26 hours since I did this. And where is it? Oh, it's farther back. At first, I never noticed this hole in this boat. And I don't know if this is recent or if it's just so far back that I never noticed it, but patched up the hole right there and yeah, it's definitely hardened up pretty well. I kind of put it like along here too, a little bit here and there. I don't know. It looks like whoever had this boat before me was pretty rough on it, honestly. But yeah, I patched that up. It says it's waterproof and everything and all that kind of stuff. It's underneath the water line, of course, so I sure hope it's waterproof. I don't know, we'll find out. I also just used like some white caulk to like patch some other holes like here and stuff like that, just so it wouldn't look super obvious. But yeah, made a lot of progress here. Got a fuel tank, 6-gallon. Has a little gauge on it, so that's cool. It's full right now. Got the battery mounted, got the outboard. I just bought a brand new 2023 Honda 30 horse tiller. The tiller is pretty wild on this thing too. It has like some warnings there and stuff like that. I think this engine's gonna be crazy. I have not driven it yet. I mean, it ran whenever like the shop that put it on there for me, and they installed it, they ran it. Yeah, so I guess next project is, I don't know, like this thing down here, I might go ahead and like put some like clear caulk on it just to give it like a second layer of defense or something like that. The same kind of stuff I put on here to keep water from coming in, and actually that's how I patched these little holes right here. Like you can still see those holes. I just patched it with clear silicone. I feel like that'll be flexible if like, if the boat shifts and like hits some waves and stuff like that. And, keep water from going in there and saturating the inside of the, the foam that's on the inside of the boat. I did buy some trailer bunk padding, so basically outdoor carpet, because one thing we noticed after I had to drive this thing about an hour and a half to get the engine put on, an hour and a half back home. You might be able to see this here. This bunk did not make it well. The boat is technically sitting on the trailer right there, which is not great. Might have to do a little bit of patching on there, honestly, but I had to get the boat home, So obviously all that weight at the end of here must have not been too great on these boards here. So I'm sure that wood was rotted. We'll put some new 2x4s on there. We'll just replace both of them and put some new bunk padding on there, and I think it'll be in pretty good shape. Oh, I need to do the wheels too. I got the new wheels over here. Just another project that I haven't really quite gotten to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to close this garage and get it warmed up in here. Man, it's cold as hell, but I'm excited to test this thing out. Yeah, so it's pretty sweet. Yeah, I think it'll be really friggin' fast with this 30 horsepower on this 13-foot boat. Probably ridiculous. Probably unsafe, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to take it easy. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and y'all have a good day. Have fun with the winter storm that's coming up here. Woo!